good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. It is cold today. I think it's -4 right now, and it feels like it's -11. And yeah, my fingers have been outside for just a little bit, and they're froze. So, but we're going fishing. We're gonna go on the portable. We're gonna go for some crappies. We think we got a good crappie spot. We've been hammering them lately, and we're gonna go try and set up on it. We're gonna probably put the portable over it. I don't think we're gonna be doing much fishing today. I just don't think the holes are gonna stay open. The lines are gonna freeze up pretty good. But I'm gonna go ahead, meet Ian over there right now, because he is already down there. So we're gonna head there. I gotta go grab something quick, and then we're gonna be on our way. So you guys stay tuned. Well, I'm here at the spot. Gotta meet Ian, but I got a little bit of a walk. Ice is looking pretty good, actually. Yeah, he said he found the school of crappies, so we're gonna go ahead, go find him, and see if we can hammer some crappies today. I think his school, he said, is pretty ginormous, so we should get into a feel. Hopefully we can drill right on them. We're in deep enough water, so should be a good one. You guys stay tuned. Well, here's the school we just put down right on. See, we drilled right at the 0 mark, so we're right there. I mean, if they're as aggressive as yesterday, we could probably catch 100.
Drop your phone.
Well, we got the house set up, and we are right under probably hundreds of crappies. So Ian's gonna drop the underwater camera down. We're gonna take a look at that, see if she works. Should be pretty cool. So we should catch plenty of fish. So it should be fun.
On.
Grab of a crappie. First fish of the day.
First fish of the day. And I don't think it'll be the last. I'm gonna throw it.
Oh, you scared him.
Did it?
A couple
On.
That feels like a better fish.
Oh yeah.
Oop. Oh, I don't think. Wait, is he on? Oh, I'm just a tangled mess here. I got it.
Oh yeah.
Line just started to spool. Woo!
Ooh, that's a big one. Put that one ready.
Just devoured.
The rod hits the top of the tent. That's not good.
There's my lure right there.
Look at that. They just fly up.
They see it and they want it.
Bam. Okay.
Might just be a little finicky with no bait.
I don't know.
Still not having a problem.
It's 6. Number 6, this is a smaller one, maybe a 10-incher, but bam.
Jesus.
Green spoon.
Oh yeah.
7, up to 11-incher. Down it goes. 8.
There we go. Another better one.
Nice one.
Yeah, look at that toad. Beautiful crappie.
You tell the crappie's kind of clear out. Little guy. It's a little guy, but I think still most people would probably always keep that. A little rattle bait. Come on, I want the one that's on me. Ooh, that thing hammered it.
Oh my gosh. I mean, we're not even using bait right now. I mean, you basically just drop her down there and that school is just going to eat it up.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. a good one.
Yeah, these are being good eaters.
It's crazy. This will ruin fishing. Okay.
Oh man, look at that school down there, guys.
$14-incher.
Oh,
On cadence.
hey man. Oh, look at that guy. He's aggressive.
Bam. On. I'm gonna say that's 11.
I mean, we've probably been here fishing 10 minutes. We're getting a fish like every 30 seconds.
There's gotta be one down there. It's a bigger fish. Feels okay. Oh yeah. That's a really black one. Which one wants it the most? Right there. Nope.
Come on.
Yeah. Fly out of the hole.
They were here?
They were still here.
Yeah.
What time did they break up?
That was about close to dark.
Oh. But they'll be here during the daylight.
Yeah. I mean, we are on them right now.
This will make any bad fisherman look good and any lure look good.
You can't really test lures here.
No.
Just try not to break off. I broke off my prong on my pinhead.
Did you?
Yeah.
Bam.
Barely got her down there. Little one. Good eaters.
The little ones are more aggressive.
Yeah.
I mean, they're still not very little. It's not very, this is a little one. You could. Little one is a 12-incher, so.
I think her still got a little bigger, huh?
Yep. Gosh, I thought that was a big one, but it's not. Come on, bud.
There's one.
Hold them both up at once. Let's go.
That's a little smaller. But
13-incher, I'm guessing.
I mean, still probably 12-incher. I mean, we've been here probably 20, 30 minutes, and I think we already have our limit. But if everyone kept fish in a school like this, schools like this just don't exist. I mean, this is something that we've never fished on, and we like to keep it that way, so we keep this spot hush. I mean, because you just get even 10 people out here and they catch their limit, that's 100 fish gone. So, I mean, catch and release, that's the name of the game. I mean, keep a few out of there, obviously, just to help with the population. But, I mean, there's no need to come here and keep 100 fish, you know, or have a whole bunch of people just lined up fishing here. I mean, that's when spots like this just don't exist. And it's fun. We want to come back here and do it. I mean, catching slabs of crappies in a school like this, I mean, you just can't do this every day.
Well said. I didn't feel anything. I just.
What the heck is that?
Digging.
That was a good one.
We can't even tell Tigan about this spot.
No. I mean, I barely got it down there. Oh.
This is our smallest of the day, I'd say. Yeah. 11. 11 is the smallest of the day.
It's another 11 and a half.
Ooh, right there. That's what I want.
That's the 16.
Can you keep it away from
The little guys.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
Wow,
they're like,
can do it.
I mean, you can see on live scope, they're 4 feet below the ice, just waiting for us to drop down there.
$16? No. It's a big one, man. Not a 16, but it is
It's down there somewhere.
it's a 13.
Oh, he was on. I should have set the hook.
I don't even set the hook based on feeling.
No, I'm just going off live scope. Which is not a good way to do it.
No. You don't even feel their bite though, which is weird. I haven't been feeling this.
Right. It's a better one.
God, there was a real nice one. And the less nicer one come out of nowhere. Right there, right there.
Oh yeah.
Like this is like a school of tiny perks. What it looks like.
Yeah, and then they're
This one snagged.
slabs of crappies. That's a better one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Can't measure on
Your GoPro's been
Yeah.
going.
it. Yeah. 12.
12. Little guy.
Pretty nice. There we go. I think he's on you. Maybe that's not the big one, but I mean, it is a big one. Do I keep 4 slabs on the ice?
Yeah.
We have to keep 4 in general. I mean, it's.
No, we'll just catch 4 and then release
Ooh,
them.
there's a good one. I don't think the big one bit, but.
It'll be competition.
Oh, that was a little one. Big one sitting down there.
Get 2 more quick for a picture. drop into the school a little bit, and then pull out. Well, I'm gonna catch 3. Yeah, I got one in.
God dang. What the?
Go outside. It's too cold. Oh. I must have been in the school. Ooh, what is that? Those are on the bottom of the ice. Look at them.
On bottom?
Yep. Here we go, pellet bottom.
Did you get it?
I don't know. Big. It's nice. Maybe it's just that deep.
Walleye.
I got it. It's a nice eater.
That's funny.
Let's go. Look at that thing. It's a nice, what,
It says-
17-incher?
Oh yeah.
It took 2 seconds. I saw the thing on bottom. I said, well, I'm going to drop through the whole school of crappie, and it was just, bam, just instantly.
That's awesome.
All right, quick release and back down the hole. Sounded like I snapped that one. Oh wow, here comes the big one. Ooh.
Oh yeah. I'll let this one go.
Okay. All right, grab 2. Drop back down. Ooh, that's cool. This little guy. Down there. Stop my soup can really quick. Ooh. Ooh, what do we got?
Anchor. Anchor.
Ooh. That might be one of the bigger of the days. I don't know if I was even recording that one.
Oh, Tika Flash. Here, you can do it both angles for a little bit. While I change.
Oh.
Well, we are still hammering them. We need to take one off right now. But we're going to throw a time-lapse video on. Just because, I mean, I don't know. Just for something different. And then we're probably going to head on out of here. So, yeah, I mean, we're still absolutely covered. This is live scope right now. And, I mean, it's looked like this for 3 hours. And I think we're nearing the, what do you think, 150, 200 mark here?
Probably.
Pretty close, just 2 of us, so I mean we could probably sit here and catch 300, but yeah, our fish are getting smaller, so I don't know if we're gonna find that big one, but we're gonna try for a little bit longer, so enjoy the time lapse. Wrapped it up for the day. I think we probably caught close to 200, if not over, between just me and Ian. So that's pretty crazy. I don't think we've ever had a crappie bite like that ever, anywhere. Yeah, it was something you don't get to do every day, and it's fun when it happens like that. When you're able to go right on top of them, and the school did not move for 4 hours that we were there, 3 hours that we were there, whatever. But yeah, we're headed back now, and it's still pretty cold, but it's a lot of fun. And we might go out for some walleyes later. I don't know. It's about 1:30, but we're gonna see. And yeah, I will. Oh yeah, what I wanted to say was, we did that time-lapse video, and Ian counted the fish that we caught in that time-lapse video, and we caught our limit just in that time-lapse video, which is kind of crazy. We caught 20 crappies between the two of us, so yeah, it was crazy. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Not much out there like this, so catch you guys on the next one.